go.
It's day 6 of the U.S. Open of Surfing. I'm on my way to the beach, to the pier, and I think they have some shortboard competition going on today. It's probably the second round of eliminations. We'll see what's going on. So the plane that made the emergency landing on Monday is still here. Imagine it takes some time to organize a way to get it out. It's Thursday, the 6th day of the U.S. Open of Surfing. We're approaching the event venue. Coming in from the east, what a lot of people call the north, of Huntington Beach towards the pier. A good swell today. Lots of great surf is expected.
.6, Crosby to first, Hodgson second, Woodville wearing the right there. Time on the clock, for 22 minutes, 22 minutes. Looks like it will be our surfer greeting first for greeting here. Right-hander for Ian. Now look at the way, couple of highlights. Opens the seat, gonna drop to the bottom, come into this section. Absolutely flowing out. Good position. What I articulated. He's gonna go again in 20 seconds. Couple of highlights. Look to the left. And gonna go around the water. Already around 50 seconds. Right here, getting a score. Last our surfer in blue. Look at that blue dropping in. Solid opening turn, gonna drive up. Brian Simmons, he's the coach of the USA circuit team as well. Well, yeah, college is so now looking like it's going to be Taj after throwing the first pitch last night in the Anaheim game. He's taking it straight to the lip here in HD. And maneuver number 2, beautifully done. Now it's our two sampling boys. His up. Back in January. You see Ray Cross. There you go, lost the foul. This is the Coastal Cowboys. Get left. Up in with that is.
Well,
Now, for the student, they're sitting a little closer, so they try to go for it, they can't guess. And in my mind, I'm like, your place is like 300, plus 200. I'm going to make you some power, pick me up. How did I have Linda? I have on it. Yeah, you're the right version. I get tired.
After flight 5.0, so 10 right now in second. Looking for a 551 to take the lead. Right now in second. Halfway.
A lot of cool old VW vans. Part of the surf culture. I think they're getting ready for the induction to the Surfing Hall of Fame here on Main Street at PCH in front of Jack's Surfboard and Huntington Surf and Sport. Well, it was an absolutely gorgeous day at the beach. Wind was down a little bit. Waves were pumping. They had tow vehicles, little ski-doos, getting the surfers out to the beautiful sets that were coming in. Lots of waves. One of the best years for the U.S. Open of Surfing in Huntington Beach. It's going to be a little crazy on the weekend. Probably not going to go down.